Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to place for all things beauty and skincare. Today, let's dive into a question that many of us have when we're looking for the perfect anti-aging solution. Are you tired of dealing with fine lines and wrinkles that seem to appear overnight? If you're like most people, you want to look younger, feel more confident, and find a product that actually works. Now here's the problem. As we age, our skin starts to lose its elasticity, moisture, and overall vibrancy. This leads to those annoying fine lines, crow's feet, and sagging skin that no one wants. But the challenge is, not all products are created equal. You may have tried countless creams only to find that they either don't work or cause breakouts, especially if you're prone to sensitive or acne-prone skin. That's where the best, non-comedogenic anti-aging night cream comes into play. Imagine waking up to visibly smoother skin that looks more youthful, plumped, and rejuvenated. No more worrying about the wrong ingredients clogging your pores or irritating your skin. The solution to this problem is Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Regenerating Face Cream, a non-comedogenic powerhouse that targets your wrinkles while giving your skin the hydration it needs. Packed with accelerated retinol SA, this cream works 2 times faster than other leading anti-wrinkle treatments, including Rodin Plus Fields. It not only reduces the look of fine lines, but it also hydrates and plumps your skin, thanks to the powerful combination of hyaluronic acid and glucose complex. You're not just smoothing wrinkles, you're revitalizing the skin beneath. Did you know that 9 out of 10 users see noticeable results within just 1 week of use? That's right. The best non-comedogenic anti-aging night cream you need for rapid results is already available. This cream is designed to target deep wrinkles, age spots, and dull skin, leaving you with a complexion that looks more youthful and radiant. Now, if you're looking for results that come fast and don't break the bank, this is your solution. The clock is ticking, and your dream skin is just a click away. Imagine the transformation in your skin after just 1 week. You don't want to miss out on this. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to the product is in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty tips and product reviews.